Hey everybody, Professor Snart just checking in here. Hopefully you have dug yourself out from the major snow that we got on, what was it, Tuesday night and I guess a little bit of Wednesday. It was pretty crazy, I have to admit. It's Friday morning and I finally can get out of my driveway, and I've never actually shoveled snow where it's shoveling like at eye level, but it took me most of Wednesday and a lot of work to move all that snow. So hopefully everyone's okay, and um, at least making the best of a chilly situation. Um, I guess it'd be kind of fun, if nothing is breaking or caving in or water pipes exploding and that kind of stuff. Anyway, I thought I'd check in because, like I'd stressed in class, we have a slightly different schedule going on for the next couple of days. So right now, we're looking at unit, I'm just going to click in so I get it correct here. Unit 3 that we're working on, which is a short story discussion. So there's a little bit more background on Araby. And you'll recall we watched that video in class, and I'd mentioned that of the stories we read, I think this is by far the most difficult to get something out of on that first initial reading. So a little more background to help with that, but then a quick discussion board that asks you to think about each of the stories in terms of particular themes, and they're listed here, but you'll notice that they're the same themes that are showing up for the essay assignment that we have underway too. So this really is like an initial kind of almost like a brainstorming or free writing kind of exercise to get you thinking about the story specifically and obviously how those themes show up in them. So we don't actually come back to class, our face-to-face class meeting until Tuesday, February 22nd, but you'll recall that you've signed up for an individual student conference with me either Tuesday, February 8th or Tuesday, February 15th. And of course, there's the usual online component of our class that's still continuing in each of those units or weeks or whatever you want to call them. And of course, they're focused on getting your essay together, some editing strategies. We'll get into a quick or a peer exchange in the next couple of weeks before you're bringing that final essay to class. So again, just be aware our schedule is a little bit different, and you will find in both units 4 and 5, I've posted the conference sign-up schedule. So if you need to remind yourself of when it is, you can check that. And of course, we're meeting in my office, which is IC 3065. I'll also throw my email and my phone in there, even though it's part of the syllabus and stuff, just in case you want to be in touch with me. And the one thing that I'll also say again is that obviously you have the one meeting that you're required to come for, and the more you have of the essay written, even if you're not really happy with it, but it's just something on paper and the works cited that we can look at together, it's much more valuable than if you really kind of procrastinate and don't get much done, and then we're just talking about ideas. So try to take advantage of that one meeting and have as much of the essay completed as possible. And again, it can be in pretty rough form as far as just sort of grammatical stuff or basic editing goes, but the more you've got typed and printed out, the better. Along those lines, though, if you want to meet with me in addition to that one time, just to check things or specific questions you have or just a little nervous about it, by all means be in touch with me and we can set something up. So don't hesitate to contact me with questions or concerns of any kind, especially since I won't probably see you outside of that short meeting until the essay's due on February 22nd again. All right, so any questions or concerns, just be in touch, and hopefully everybody is above snow level again.